Good morning, Ravens. I'm Tim Mulherin, your Irvington Community School CEO. I wanted to take just a few minutes to provide you with an update and share some important highlights of our planning for the second semester. The COVID-19 pandemic has been a real trial for all of us in countless ways. Yet our school community has, as expected, risen to the occasion. That's the Irvington way. As we have since the beginning of the pandemic, when it comes to deciding on the best academic model to keep our students and staff safe, we do follow the science. This especially involves listening to what medical researchers are saying about children's COVID-19 transmission rates. And that is, the older the child, the greater the possibility for virus shedding or transmission. Based upon our close monitoring of guidance from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the Indiana State Department of Health, and the Marion County Public Health Department, as well as that from national public health experts and infectious disease specialists, we have maintained a careful, conservative approach to COVID-19 safety. As you know, this factored significantly in the academic models we developed for the first semester. And from a safety standpoint, in the time of an international pandemic, the likes of which have not been seen for a century, our approach has worked. This is thanks not only to our teachers and administrative staff, but to our families, to you. Of course, our objective is, and always has been, to get all of our students back into our school buildings as soon as possible. Yet, to the best of our ability, we will not compromise safety, theirs or yours. Now, regarding our plans for Semester 2, the ICS Leadership Team began meeting in mid-October to develop a variety of scenarios and contingency plans for reopening after winter break. At this time, we intend to reopen our school buildings on Monday, January 4th, offering a cohort-assigned hybrid models for all three schools. Additionally, we will extend an opportunity to families to select a full-time virtual option. We will open the second semester sign-up on Sunday, November 15th. Communication announcing how to access the online sign-up will be sent to you by email and through social media messaging and building-level communications. Families will be required to select their students' preferred academic model, hybrid or virtual, no later than Monday, November 23rd. Please keep in mind that our intended hybrid models for Semester 2 could well be impacted by rising COVID-19 positivity rates in Marion County. Our plans will hinge directly upon this factor while weighing other public health concerns involving the well-being of our students and families. This will continue to be our North Star in our decision-making process. Again, all of our decision-making depends utterly on the pandemic's positivity rating in Marion County as it tracks for 2 successive weeks, as well as potential sweeping decisions from the Indianapolis Mayor and Indiana Governor's offices. That said, we must stay the course in our marathon to the finish line. Mask up, socially distance, wash and sanitize your hands, take your child's temperature daily, and always think about the other, your family members, friends, colleagues, and members of the ICS community. We are truly all in this together. I recently heard an infectious disease specialist characterize the COVID-19 pandemic as a season. And like every season, this one shall pass. The more we pull together as a school community, city, state, and nation, the quicker we can return to normal and get our children back in school where they belong. At ICS, we are committed to making sure that that day comes sooner than later. I know you are too. Meanwhile, throughout November and December, be sure to pay attention to our frequent Facebook postings, refer to the ICS website for pandemic-related information and updates, and be on the lookout for our monthly digital newsletter and word that will come from our automated email, text, and phone messaging system. Thank you for your attention, for your time, and for your partnership with your Irvington Community Schools. And please stay safe.